Energy tech.
Virgin Galactic flies people and payloads to suborbital space using an air-launch strategy. A carrier plane called VMS Eve drops the 6-passenger, 2-pilot VSS Unity spaceplane at an altitude of about 50,000 feet. Unity then fires up its onboard rocket motor, making its own way to the final frontier before cruising back home to Spaceport America, Virgin Galactic's launch site near Las Cruces, New Mexico. Unity has 4 spaceflights under its belt, the most recent of which toted billionaire Virgin Group founder Richard Branson and 3 other passengers in July 2021. Shortly after that attention-grabbing mission, Virgin Galactic took both Unity and Eve out of service temporarily to maintain and upgrade the vehicles. This work will improve the durability and reliability of Eve and Unity, allowing both to fly more often when they enter commercial service, Virgin Galactic representatives have said. And that milestone should be coming relatively soon. And Unity won't be Virgin Galactic's only space plane for long. Flight testing of the next one in line, VSS Imagine, is expected to start this year, Colglazier said. If all goes according to plan, Imagine will start flying payloads on revenue-generating flights about a year from now, he added, with paying customers coming aboard later in 2023. Imagine will be able to fly about once every 2 weeks when it's fully operational, Colglazier said. Even with the enhancements, Unity won't reach such a cadence. Its target is once per month. Virgin Galactic is also working on a new, Delta class, of spaceplanes, each of which should be able to fly weekly. The first Delta vehicle could start flying paying customers in 2026, Virgin Galactic Chief Financial Officer Doug Ahrens said on Tuesday's call. A decently high flight cadence is a priority for Virgin Galactic, which has already signed up about 750 customers. And that number is likely to grow. The company temporarily opened ticket sales to the general public on February 15 for $450,000 per seat. Virgin Galactic is not profitable at the moment. The company incurred a net loss of $81 million during the fourth quarter of 2021, Ahrens said.
Energy tech.